how to cancel Shopify subscription or close Shopify store. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site shopify.com. You will land on this official page of Shopify. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, head over to settings at the bottom left corner. Head over to plan. You have to click on cancel subscription at the bottom. Once again click on cancel subscription and close store. You have to select the reason on why you want to close your Shopify store. For now, let me select any of the reason from here. Once you have selected, what you want to do is enter your password of your account. Once you have entered the password, tap on close store and your Shopify store will be closed successfully. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can cancel Shopify subscription. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.